Human metapneumovirus or HMPV. This respiratory virus causes symptoms that are similar to the common cold or flu. It was first identified in 2001 and belongs to the Pneumoviridae family, making it closely related to the respiratory syncytial virus or RSV. HMPV infections typically peak in late winter and early spring, similar to other respiratory viruses. Moving on to the symptoms of HMPV. Common signs include a cough, runny or stuffy nose, fever, sore throat, and, in more severe cases, wheezing or shortness of breath. While most individuals recover without complications, certain groups are at higher risk of severe illness. These include children under the age of 5, older adults over 65, and those with weakened immune systems or chronic respiratory conditions like asthma or COPD. These vulnerable groups require special attention during outbreaks. Let's discuss how HMPV spreads and the steps to prevent infection. The virus is transmitted through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. It can also spread via close contact or by touching contaminated surfaces and then touching your mouth, nose, or eyes. To reduce the risk, wash your hands frequently, avoid touching your face, and wear masks in crowded areas during outbreaks. Staying home when sick and regularly disinfecting surfaces can also help minimize transmission. Diagnosis of HMPV involves detecting the virus in respiratory secretions, often using nucleic acid amplification tests or antigen detection methods. Currently, there is no specific antiviral treatment or vaccine available for HMPV. Management focuses on symptom relief, such as staying hydrated, resting, and using over-the-counter medications for fever and congestion. In severe cases, hospitalization may be necessary for oxygen therapy or intravenous fluids. These supportive treatments can significantly improve outcomes. Let's talk about the current situation and some key recommendations. While HMPV has contributed to increased respiratory infections, it is neither a new virus nor an imminent pandemic threat. Seasonal surges are typical, especially as people re-expose themselves to viruses post-COVID-19 lockdowns. It's essential to stay informed through reliable sources and adhere to preventive measures. If symptoms worsen, or if individuals in high-risk groups experience severe respiratory distress, they should seek medical attention promptly. By taking these precautions, we can collectively reduce the impact of HMPV and safeguard public health. Now, let's focus on the current situation in India concerning HMPV. While the outbreak in China has raised global concerns, India has not reported a significant rise in HMPV cases so far. The Union Health Ministry has reassured the public that India is well prepared to handle respiratory illnesses, including HMPV. India's robust healthcare surveillance system is monitoring respiratory infections across the country. However, experts have advised healthcare providers to remain vigilant, especially during seasonal changes when respiratory illnesses tend to rise. As a precaution, citizens are encouraged to follow basic hygiene practices such as regular hand washing, wearing masks in crowded spaces, and seeking medical attention for prolonged or severe symptoms. These measures, along with India's proactive response mechanisms, are expected to help minimize the potential impact of HMPV in the country.